Okay, welcome back again, and welcome to specifications. Now, in regards to this, you need to look at the information, read it for yourselves, and extract it. Okay? Make it your own. Now, again, here I don't need to do a lot of talking, because it is quite self-explanatory. And if, as you are at level 3, you should be able to do a lot of this now for yourselves. Okay? Now bear with me, because I keep trying to remember to change the red to a different color for the headings, because when I look back at it, it doesn't always come out that good. So bear with me while I try to amend these in due course. Okay. Okay, thank you again. I trust you find this useful. Bye-bye.